2025 Tricity 300 is here to change the boredom of two-wheeled motorcycle riders. This motorcycle features a unique three-wheel design and cool features. Unique three-wheel design for enhanced stability. Advanced features for better performance. Comprehensive analysis of design, technical specifications, and value city commuting is made easier with the 2025 Tricity 300. YAMAHA Tricity 300 front suspension and dual-wheel setup for superior stability and cornering ability. Engine performance and output. The 2025 YAMAHA Tricity 300 features a 292cc, liquid-cooled, SOHC, 4-stroke, 4-valve, single-cylinder engine. The Tricity 300 focuses on rider comfort. The seat is low and the riding position is spacious. Yamaha makes it easy to ride in the city or on the highway. This scooter is designed for durability and everyday use. Its frame and components are strong, ensuring longevity. The Tricity stands out for its design and build quality. This scooter looks great and feels solid. Yamaha aims to create a scooter that is both beautiful and functional. It is a powerful and feature-rich motorcycle. It boasts a powerful engine and advanced technology. This section will discuss the engine, tricycle design, braking system, and technological features. The Tricity's design isn't just about looks. It's about creating a sense of connection between rider and machine. It now has a sleek and modern look. It features clean lines and a bold color scheme. Its tricycle design gives it a cool look and adds stability. It also boasts advanced safety features. These features include improved brakes and stability control. These changes make the motorcycle safer and more enjoyable to ride. The 2025 YAMAHA Tricity 300 has undergone major updates. It now features an improved engine for smoother starting and more efficient fuel consumption. The suspension has also been improved for a smoother ride. The YAMAHA Tricity has always combined stability, ease of use, and style. This scooter has found a special place in the scooter world. Its three-wheel design is loved by urban riders for its stability. The YAMAHA Tricity 300 has a long history, and the 2025 model brings new features. The Tricity series has been at the forefront of scooter innovation. The Tricity 300 looks sleek and boasts advanced features. Ready to stand out, this motorcycle truly delivers on all its appeal.